If you're seeing Epic Games error code 0, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that can solve the problem fast. This issue is often caused by corrupted game files, launcher glitches, or even an anti-cheat problem, so we'll go step by step and cover the most effective solutions first. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick fixes and gaming tutorials. Let's get into it. First, open the Epic Games launcher and go to your library. Find the game that's giving you the error, such as Fortnite, and click the three dots next to it. From the menu, choose Manage, then click Verify. This will scan your game files and repair anything that may be missing or corrupted. It's one of the easiest and most common fixes for this error, so definitely start here. Once the verification process is complete, try launching the game again and see if the issue is gone. If the error still appears, the next thing to do is run Epic Games Launcher as an administrator. Close the launcher completely, then right-click the Epic Games Launcher icon and select Run as Administrator. This gives the launcher the permissions it needs to function properly, especially if Windows is blocking part of the process in the background. If that doesn't fix it, we'll move on to clearing the WebCache folder, which can solve launcher glitches and loading problems. To do that, press Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the run box. Type %local app data % and press enter. In the folder that opens, go to Epic Games Launcher, then open Saved. Inside that folder, look for the WebCache folder. If you also see something like WebCache_4147 or a similar WebCache version, delete that too. Don't worry. This is safe, and Epic Games will rebuild the cache automatically the next time it opens. After deleting those folders, reopen the launcher and test the game again. If you're still getting error code 0, the next fix is to repair or reinstall Easy Anti-Cheat. This is especially important for online games like Fortnite, because if Easy Anti-Cheat is damaged or not installed correctly, the game may fail to launch. Open the installation folder for your game. For Fortnite, that's usually inside the Epic Games folder, then Fortnite, then Easy Anti-Cheat. Inside that folder, run easyanticheat_eos_setup.exe. Follow the prompts to repair or reinstall the service. Once that's finished, restart your computer and try the game again. If the problem continues, one final thing you can test is your connection. Sometimes your Wi-Fi network or router can block part of the login or launcher process. A quick way to check is to switch temporarily from Wi-Fi to a mobile hotspot and see if the game launches properly. If it works on a hotspot, then your router or network settings may be the issue. In that case, restarting your router or adjusting your network settings can help. So to recap, the best fixes for Epic Games error code 0 are verifying your game files, running the launcher as administrator, clearing the WebCache folder, repairing Easy Anti-Cheat, and testing your connection with a different network. Try these in order, and in most cases, one of them will get you back into the game. If this tutorial helped, please leave a like, subscribe for more gaming fixes, and I'll see you in the next video.